Hello viewers, welcome to the Fast Profits Daily. Myself Brijesh Bhatia. So in the last video where we discussed Nifty and we highlighted that 16,057 has been broke out. The gap area of 16,160, 16,200 will act as a major support zone. We tested 16,165 and now back above 16,500 levels at all time high. Well, the bullish momentum continues in the market, and the one sector which is still struggling to outperform is banking space. In this video, we'll be discussing about PSU Bank. Well, in case you're not following my Telegram channel, the Fast Profits, there's a link in the description. Do follow, where I share charts about various sectors, commodities, bitcoins, or other cryptos, equities, and these is specifically focused on charts for you. Coming back to the video now, the first chart where I'm showing is PSU Bank Index, and I think it is a low risk, high reward trade. It is all set to form a bigger rally. We have seen SBI right from 460-62 zone back towards 427, 425 zone. Bank of Baroda correcting from higher level, PNB correcting from higher level. And I think this is a pause to the bearish momentum, and we might see the resumption in bullish momentum. Though this video is not focused on stock but the index side. And if you look at the first chart over here on your screen, is the PSU Bank Index chart. Now look at the rally. We have seen the right from the highs, it has corrected, and we'll look at the how it has underperformed against the private bank as well. But look at the confluence of support zone the index is at. First, if you look at the support zone, the red line right at 2300, it is acting as a strong support zone. Second, 100 exponential moving average, which is 100 days exponential moving average, placed right around 2300 levels, and again it formed the hammer pattern over there, and now showing a sign of reversal or revival of the bullish momentum, I would say. And if you look at the 100 exponential moving average, it has been quite playing as a good support zone in this rally, and this is very much important. The third is the retracement level. If you look at the retracement level, 38 point Fibonacci retracement is again strong retracement levels when it comes to the bullish momentum. So what does this? It signifies that when the prices go higher, a rally is there, and when prices retrace or price see a pullback onto the downside, the next leg of rally is fast and furious, and 38.2 is playing out very, very strong now. Adding to the confluence of support over here, there is a positive divergence on RSI. So RSI is basically the strength of the momentum, and when you see positive divergence, the positive divergence are formed when prices don't hit the new lows, but RSI, the prices are hitting the new lows or at the same levels, but RSI here is forming the lower or the higher lows, I would say. And if you look at this momentum over here, similar lows were formed at somewhere around 2300, 2310, and if you look at the RSI, it's forming the higher lows. So again, a positive divergence is playing out on the PSU index. So it is a sign of bullish momentum now. But if I compare it with the private bank index, though since the start of the August, though we didn't had the much trading days, but still, if you look at the trading days in the August, 8, 9, 10 trading days, and PSU has been underperforming against the private bank index. And if you look at private bank index is resisting around this similar level of 18,500, 18,700 for quite long. At the same time, PSU was hitting lows. But I think now, even if you look at the private bank, it has been trading at strong resistance zone, like we have seen in Nifty, where it was hitting the highs of 15,850, 15,900, 15,920, and then it broke out once 16,000, the key psychological level. There was no look back for Nifty. Similarly, I think even private bank here, only once it breaks 19,000 levels can see a good upside momentum. But here the PSUs are offering an excellent risk reward trade. So I think one should focus on here, considering the risk reward. PSU plays a very strong opportunity than the private bank. Though only I will look private bank only about 19,000 levels, because being a resistance on 18,750, 18,900 plus key psychological level of 19,000, these two are very crucial. Though we have seen ICICI rallying, HDFC Bank rallying, Kotak Bank rallying from the lower levels, but still this private index is yet to break out, and till this break doesn't break out, bank nifty won't be able to perform. But yes, but if you look at, though the pie of PSU is smaller than the private in the bank nifty, I still think that bank PSU is still offering a better risk reward trend than bank nifty or private banks. So keep a watch on this PSU index, and you can select stock whatever you want, considering the weightage is the SBI leads the highest weight into the PSU bank index. So that could be the better identically if you want to play the index. So I think look for PSUs at current point of time, then private. Only once the private bank index breaks 19,000, then that could be the rally. But here the PSU offers better risk reward trade. Signing off, Brijesh Bhatia. Thank you.
This is it. The only 20 stocks to own forever. Click here to reserve your free spot for our special event on Forever Stocks